Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. All right, so we got two things going on at the same time. We've got a really slow upper band ride on the daily chart. 2, 3, 4 sessions. In order for it to be 5, it's going to have to print 3204 to 3206. But you see, while there are pushbacks intraday, they tend to, they tend to be dip buys and it heads higher. You see how small yesterday's candle was. The range was basically non-existent. And it wasn't just the E-mini. Look at the Globex range in oil. It was $1. $1 for the whole day. I mean, we want to see something that basically went to sleep. So you look at hourly. Okay? We're in compression. Compression leads to expansion. What direction is the expansion going to be? When is the expansion going to come? I don't waste my brain trying to figure that out. Most people do. I don't. Because I know whether this sucker breaks up or whether it breaks down, it's going to give us a way in, it's going to give us a risk marker, and it's going to give us handles. So what you need to do is you need to be vigilant based upon what it's doing at the time, and you got to key off, what the current area of resistance is or what the current area of support is. Right now, it's really struggling with 3202 to 3204. And until that area gets converted, I'm going to continue to, we were short last night, got 6, then we got stopped out. It took a couple trips down to 92 in the overnight, but it's going to have to convert that area. So this upper band on the daily has shifted up about 20 handles now, up above to right around the area of the all-time high. And the 9-day, which I think if we end up breaking down out of compression, is a fairly reasonable price to go take a look at. Is down at 67. Now, I'm not saying we're going to 67. What I'm saying is if this thing gets some momentum going to the downside, it should seek out the 9-day, wherever the 9-day may be. Traditionally, that's been the price that it has sought. So the last time we did a band ride, it broke down a little bit there. Then they end up buying it down at the lower. But we're not compressed on the daily chart. In fact, we're expanding on the daily chart. So that gives the bears a decent shot of winning this compression battle. So be vigilant around the mid-band. Comes in around 96 today. Right now, volume weighted average price is 96. Daily pivot's 96.33. The 5-minute mid-band is like 96.60. Our proprietary moving average is 97.33. So it's all jammed up between 95.5 and 97.5. That area needs to convert in order to get the expansion leg. Expect further false breakouts and false breakdowns. But don't be stubborn. Stay flexible. Just understand that when the expansion comes, it's going to give you time. You're going to have time. At least we're going to have time in the room. We'll find it. We'll find the risk marker, and it'll do whatever it does, whether that's up or down. But assuming direction on expansion out of compression, you could end up being the bag holder for a lot of heat if you're wrong. And that is how people end up in day trades that turn into swing trades. And that's the last thing you want to be doing, especially this time of year. Okay, so we'll watch 95.5. Yeah, we'll call it 95 to 97. That's the deal. Win that zone, and you win the next move on the hourly chart. All right, everybody, take care. Come check out the room. Trade them well. More stuff out on social. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.